Hello, my math independent study student. In this video, we are going to graph vertical and horizontal line. Let's graph the vertical line x equals 3. So to graph this line, you can make a table x, y. Your x value is always 3. It's just a constant. Your y value can be all real numbers on the x-axis. It can be negative 3. It can be 0. It can be positive 1. So I mean your x value always stay at the same constant number, at the same number. So you can go ahead and plot the points. 1, 2, 3. So your y, so the first one will be, so the scale go by 1, so 1, 2, 3. So the first will be 3 comma negative 3, and then 3 comma 0, and then 3 comma 1. So let's connect these 3 points. You will see that you will end up with a line, a vertical line. So this line, we call this is a vertical line. And I'm going to plot the point again. This is 3 comma 1 and 3 comma negative 3. Now let's find the slope. So if we want to find the slope, we do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So from these 2 points, we will label this is our x1, y1, this is our x2, y2. You can see that your x stays the same, so the y2 be negative 3, y1 which is 1, x2 be 3, x1 be 3, so you end up with this fraction, negative 4 over 0. Now we cannot have 0 in our denominator, so we can conclude right here that the slope is undefined. So let's move on to the second equation. Let's graph the equation y equals negative 4. So we can make a table. This time I'm go ahead and make a vertical table. X, y. Your y value will stay constant. It's always negative 4. So your x value can be all real numbers. So you can say, it can be negative 2, can be 0, can be 3, but your y value will stay the same. So now we'll plot the 3 points. So the scale on the x-axis go by 1. And the same with the scale on the y-axis go by 1. So this is my negative 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is negative 4. So we have the points negative 2, negative 4, 0, negative 4, and 3 comma negative 4. So we connect this point, these 3 points, we should end up with a horizontal line. So now let's go ahead and find the slope. So again, I'm going to label the first the points on the right hand side be 3 comma negative 4. And the points on the left hand side of the y-axis will be negative 2 comma negative 4. So this will be our x1, y1. And this will be our x2, y2. So therefore the slope M is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So our y2 will be negative 4. Our y1 is still negative 4, so minus negative 4. Our x2 is 3. Our x1 is negative 2. So now we are going to simplify, so that will give us negative 4 plus 4 over 3 plus 2. So that will give us 0 over 5. So simplify this fraction give us 0. So we can conclude that the slope of the horizontal line is 0. So this line, because this is a horizontal line. And thank you so much for watching this video. Let's write out this summary. So in this video, we learned this to graph vertical and horizontal line. Thank you so much. I will see you in class. Goodbye.